Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube. It's Kay and Tam here. This is the part 2 of the Toronto vlog. In this vlog, you're going to see what we did at our client's house. It basically involved some little things like fixing the furniture, installing a wall mount for the TV, and many more. So here we are in the process of fixing or installing a dresser for one of the rooms. Out of 10, I would give the installation process a 7. It was harder than it looked actually. Then here we're installing the wall mount for the TV. This was not too bad. Yeah, I'd say we just had to find the studs, and then after that, put the nails in the right place and make sure it was in the center of the wall so that the TV will be at the perfect level for people to watch. Now we move on to the lock aspect. So there was the door to the garage, which we removed the traditional style lock and installed those locks with the passcode, those kind of locks. Yeah, you're going to see it in a bit. This is the finished dresser. It was a pretty simple dresser, not bad to look at, and installed extremely well. Yes, this is the TV on the wall after the wall mount has been installed. You can see on the back. It was a pretty neat wall mount. The 360 angle is kind of cool and it just goes back and forth with ease, which I like, and it was very sturdy. Yeah, this is the lock that we installed. This is the front part. And then this is the back with the passcode thingy. Do you want a picture on this? Now moving on, we're doing the toilet installation. So this was not only a toilet, it was actually a toilet and a bidet installation. So the bidet was basically just attached to the toilet. This was actually the hardest one, I believe, because that toilet is not light. It was very heavy to carry. Yeah. And you can see the bidet jet thing by the side. Ta-da! The finished toilet. This is a double-sized bed that we installed in one room. So the bed was quite easy to install in the room. The box spring wasn't that crazy to put together. So the individual parts of the bed look big, but they're actually very few, which made it easy to put together. Just another look through everything that was done in this space. The TV, the toilet, the locks, the dresser. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know that you'll definitely be coming back for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, show some love to Kay and Tam. Send us a DM for any work you need done in your home, renovation, painting, landscaping, anything home improvement. Bye bye.